Kanat, going into this fight, right, did you imagine this in your wildest dreams that you would have a sensational knockout like that?
This is my plan. This is why I train hard for this fight. Every fight I train hard. I want to give everything for this fight. Today, as I talk to my coach, I'm training for this. At first, I'll take out this. This is for fun. This is for accident, this is boxing, for dancing.
Now, who do you?
Yeah, I try it, take off. This is for my training.
Who do you want next?
I don't know. I want everybody. Everybody, man.
Who is everybody? Everybody has names.
154, 160 Kim. Canelo, Cotto, Pacquiao. This is
from Kazakhstan.
No.
Fellow person from
Kazakh people coming, no. Kazakh.
We don't want to go.
One in my city, 10,000 boxer. One in my city. You know?
That's
all Kazakhstan. Next 10 more years, all this professional boxing, Kazakh coming. Take all this.
Algar